All right, so we have a question here. It says, given that log to the base 10 of 2 is equal to that, blah, blah, blah. We have to calculate the value without using table of A and B. Now, if you've not watched the first part of this video where we introduce the concept of logarithms and the laws, I'd like for you to do that because I'm going to put the link in the description so you count A before B. Now this is B part. So now, just like in indices, is basically the same concept. We want to put everything in the same base. All right, so you see that from the question we are given the value of log to the base 10 of 2 and log to the base 10 of 3, and then this question we have log to the base 10 of 16. Now we can't do much here because we don't know what the logarithm to the base 10 of 16 is, so we want to break 16 down. You do the normal way, take this 16 and you divide it. All right, so 16 divided by prime numbers. 2 into 16 is what? 8. 2 into 8 is 4. 2 into 4 is 2. 2 into itself is what? 1. So you see that 16 is 2 raised to the power 4. Right? So you don't necessarily have to do this. I'm just working it out for those of us that are not too conversant with these things. So that means I can replace log to the base 10 of 16 and write it like this. So I can write it as log to the base 10 of 2 raised to the power 4, because 16 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 4. Why I'm changing this to 2 is because from the question we are given the value of log to the base 10 of 2, as you can see there. So that's why it's necessary to take this step. Now from the power law of logarithms, I can rewrite this to mean 4 times log to the base 10 of 2. This is true from the laws of logarithms. This is the power law. Where you have a power, it will be the power times the log. So now, I can now break this further to be 4 times. What is the logarithm to the base 10 of 2? From the question, you can see it is 0.3010. Now, if we simplify, that will be our final answer. 4 times 0 will give us 0. 4 times 1 will give us 4. 4 times 0 again will give us 0. 4 times 3 is what? 12. Right? So that's what we have. So now we have 4 decimal points there. 4 decimal place rather. So we're going to write our answer as 1.2040. So this is our final answer. So that's the answer to question number A. So B part, we have logarithm to the base 10 of 0.72. Well, we're going to change 0.72, we're going to write it as a fraction. So writing it as a fraction, we now have the logarithm to the base 10 of 72 over 1000. 0.72 is the same thing as 72 over 1000, or 72 1,000. So now we're going to apply the subtraction law of logarithms. This will be equal to the same as log to the base 10 of 72 minus log to the base 10 of 100. This is the subtraction law. When you're subtracting between logarithms, you take the division. Now we can go back and forth. So we are going from this to this. Now we are going to have 72 is the same thing as, let's break 72 down, because we are given log to the base 10 of 2 and log to the base 10 of 3. So you must make sure you change 72 to accommodate those things. So 2 here will be 36. 2 here will be 18. 2 into 18 is 9. 3 into 9 is 3. 3 into itself is 1. So 72 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 3 times 3 raised to the power 2. So we are going to change it. So we now have log to the base 10 of 2 raised to the power 3 times 3 raised to the power 2, minus logarithm to the base 10 of 100 is the same thing as 10 raised to the power 2. Now, the left side, let's simplify further. This will be logarithm to the base 10 of 2 raised to the power 3 plus logarithm to the base 10 of 3 raised to the power 2. I'm applying the addition law here now. then we have minus. I'm going to apply the power law in this side of the problem. So that will be minus 2 log base 10 of 10. So that's what we have. So just take it line upon line until you get the answer. Now I'm going to move this using the power law again. I have 3 log 10 of 2 plus 2 log base 10 of what? 3 minus 2 log. Now I don't need to write the log again, because if you remember, logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. So log base 10 of 10 is 1 from the laws that we considered in the previous video. So that would be 2 times 1, which is just 2. Right now we have logarithm to the base 10 of 2 here, and then logarithm to the base 10 of 3 here, which was given in the questions. So you see from the question, the logarithm to the base 10 of 2 is given as 0.301. So we are going to replace this as 3 times 0.3010 plus 2 times logarithm to the base 10 of 3 is given as 0.4771, then minus 2. Now let's multiply out, and that will be our answer. So we have our answer as negative 0.1428. So this is the answer to the problem.